25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northeast Kentucky, southeast Ohio, and western West Virginia. When? From 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected.
Oh shit.
Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. While winds will remain strong through the entire period of the warning, the highest winds are expected from late Saturday morning until early Saturday afternoon. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.